I'm starting here with your document, and over here I'm just going to open Nearpod. And so either nearpod.com, sign in with your Google account, and I'm just going to go to create and a lesson because I want to add multiple things here. So with this open-ended question, I'm just going to copy it, right? And I'm going to put, well, I mean, an intro slide here. So really, I should say reactions properties, and I'm going to actually copy that and paste that here. And then I'm going to add any text. Be sure to do your best so that you are prepared for the and I'm going to just I can change the theme here, and I'm just going to click save, exit. Now I see this open-ended question, and I'm going to just copy it, and I'm going to add an activity, and I'm just going to leave it as an open-ended question. And paste it here, and then you can do any editing that you would like. You can even enable student audio recording so they can just record their answer and say it, or just take that off. Just leave it so they have to type in. All right, the next question. Then I just can keep doing kind of the same thing here. And there's a whole bunch of different activities that maybe would help us better. So, where again, these are open-ended questions, I'm just going to use the open-ended activity, and I'm just going to paste that in there and save. All right. Now review the difference between reactants and products in a chemical reaction. So here, based on where you want them to review that information may change how we do this. If you have a video, maybe I might say like, all right, I'm going to copy, or I'm just going to, explore difference between reactants and products. And really, maybe I'll just paste it here. And maybe I think I might, find a nice little video. Okay, so I see, a little 2-minute video here.
Target when baking soda. Note that these are what are list the reagent on the left side of our equation, and the products are.
And maybe that might be too much, but maybe maybe here's a video or that they might be able to watch. So you can, not sure how we're going to get this to download, but perhaps we won't. So maybe I can just take this and say, okay, I'm just going to copy that URL, and I'm going to just do some web content, and I'm going to paste that URL, and I'm going to save. All right, and now, okay, I'm going to, again, just copy and paste here in the activities. Save. And maybe I'm thinking of maybe the difference between chemical and let's see. Okay, so again, we can just keep copying and pasting. If we had, you wanted to give more answers, there's matching, there's fill in the blanks. So maybe for this next section, what I think I'll do is I will click Explore. Okay, and maybe I'll find boil, define our definition here. All right, so maybe I'll just copy and paste this. Oop. And I think maybe what I'll do here is a maybe matching pairs, or even you could do a drag and drop to, if they were sorting between different things. So hit there, and then I'm just going to type in boil. So vocabulary. Right, and then I can just keep doing this as, let's see, I'm just going to go to define. It's way faster. All right, let's see here. To turn liquid into vapor. Control C. Add another pair. I'm just right clicking, define. All right, and so maybe at this time I'm going to go here and the word there. We can just keep adding pairs like this. And Now, let's see here. I'm not sure which definition I want to, what that might be. So maybe I might just, explore the web. So I'm hopefully that's right, but if not, then you're welcome to just quick change that. And so oops. All right. And so again, if I get any of these wrong, then you're obviously welcome to come in and change them, or reach out and let me change them. Write down the law of conservation and explain what it means. So I'm going to copy this, and so I'm going to save. And I think I'm going to try a video here. And hopefully, maybe they've already law of conservation. All right. It's a good thing you video from someone concerned about the law of conservation. Okay. Okay, and so maybe we just and we'll just save that, and perhaps down here on this activity we can just click on there, and there we have it. Now that's a 7-minute video. Here we can trim anything that we want. If there's just a specific part that you would want, we can just do that. Okay, so another open-ended question. Let me see what other questions. Perhaps we go here to, a class discussion, and so here we can enter the topic, and we can, maybe it's better up there. I'm not sure. So, and then we can just give some variety here, and we'll just click save. So now they can all answer and see each other's answers and collaborate on that. And now here we could say like, all right, we'll give them a little quiz based on this question of, all right. And, okay. Helium. All right, and oh, okay. So, I mean, I wish I was better at those than you know. Okay, so maybe I'm just gonna say, let's see. I'm gonna actually what elements are present in the following equation. And really, what I probably should do is do a subscript there, and there, and there. Oh, might have to just go here and here and here. All right, and so now I can just go to, let me just make sure, and I'm just gonna go save. So quiz is just a multiple choice, some multiple choice questions. And so now we can, all right, now for these definitions, I think I want to try, just a time to climb. Okay, so this is kind of the game, more game-like activity here. And I'm just going to say proton. And oh, apparently I cannot post that long of an answer. Let's see. So, and then I'll say neutron. Interesting. All right, define atom. Interesting. There we go. Okay, so now I think, all right, I can duplicate this question. So now I'm just going to call it an electron. And I'm just going to, switch the answer. And really, I don't think I need that much time. So let's just change that down to like 15. And we'll change that one down to 15. And then we'll duplicate again. And, oh, did I spell? Oh, of course. Neutron. And you can add reference images to this as well. So maybe I will do that after here. Of course, I would misspell that one. All right, and let's see. So if I, now let's see. Maybe I'll get rid of that one. It kind of gives. Let's go back here. Okay, and then I'm just going to go ahead and hit save. And now, if I had more, if we had more information of, these answers ready to go, then we could give them maybe more feedback or more like a stimulus or fill in the blank, things like that too. Or you could enable a student recording, just says, oh, hey, what are 3 positives of using polymers, 2 drawbacks of using polymers, just to something to get them going. Okay, so we can just say save, and then that's that. And then we're done. And we just call this our, let's see. I'm just gonna copy and paste and Control C, Control V, and we save and exit. Now from here, we can just put it into our Spanish or our science, not Spanish. Okay, so then I will just put it in here, and we're just going to put it in our school library. And if you go to school library, you should see this, and you can add it to your lessons. Hopefully that helps.